All right, and as for the interior, it is a non-smoker. It's really clean, and they did a phenomenal job here. They completely wrapped all of this in paint protection film. So you can see all the jams, so all of this stuff, even the side skirt, the trim here, this is all completely protected. All right, guys, the last part is a quick visual condition report. And essentially this entire car has some sort of protection on it, whether it be the matte black vinyl or paint protection film itself. So all the main body panels you can see are matte black, but things like the lower side skirt, the little blade here, the spoiler, this entire lower valance and bumper trim, all of that stuff is wrapped in paint protection film. And so it's done a phenomenal job at keeping this car really nice. This is wrapped in paint protection film. Like I said, the spoiler, the lower rockers, and then everything else is wrapped in a matte black vinyl. So it's done a great job at keeping this car nice and clean. We do, however, have a gash here on the lower splitter. And then there are going to be a couple imperfections, some small rock chips in the vinyl, but I don't think they've gone through to the paint. But just here across the front bumper every once in a while, and a couple here and there on that lower side as well. You can see a couple little chips here on the side mirror, but like I said, I don't think those went through to the paint itself. And this little section here, like I said, everything's either wrapped in paint protection film or matte vinyl, so even all this trim and this little triangle is all protected in paint protection film. So honestly, besides that front splitter, I'm not seeing any notable damage besides the small little imperfections on the film itself. So if you have any other questions on this car, give us a shout at Exotic Motorsports of Oklahoma, and I'll put the link down in the description. Thanks guys, and have a good one.